What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you guys have a request for a tutorial, the link is in the description below or up on the screen. That's where you can make your request. There's also a tip button underneath the video, actually a thank you button underneath the video, where you can leave a tip if this video helped you out. Okay, today we're going to learn how to play this Feelin by SDIB. This was requested by Toby Flenderson. So grab your ukuleles and let's go learn how to jam. Okay, so we're going to play quite a few chords. We're going to play G minor, cover the 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, bottom string, 1st fret. We're also going to play B flat, cover the bottom 2 strings here, 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, top string, 3rd fret. We're going to play F, top string, 2nd fret, and then 2nd string, 1st fret. C minor, covering the bottom 3 strings here on the 3rd fret. Okay, we're going to play E flat. Actually it's like this, covering the 2nd and 3rd string, 3rd fret, bottom string, 1st fret, but for me it's easier to just do this. Okay, we're also going to play a high C. We're going to cover the bottom 2 strings here, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, top string, 5th fret. We're going to play G, cover the bottom string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. We're going to play A minor, cover the top string on the 2nd fret. Okay, let's go over the structure for this song. So we're going to start with an intro, then we got verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, and repeat the chorus for the outro. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. So we're going to start with an intro, the verse. Those are going to be played the same. So the intro and the verses are played like this. There's G minor, B flat, F, and C minor. Okay, so that's how you play the verses and the intro. And then we have the chorus, which is played differently. So the chorus is going to be played like this: B flat, F, G minor, E flat. Okay. So that's how you play the chorus. And the ending of the song, the outro, is going to be an octave higher. Right at the end, it's going to change the chords for the chorus to a high C, G, A minor, and F. Okay, so that's for the outro chorus. Okay, so let's play it all together and see how it sounds. Okay, intro. It has like these little synths. Okay. Okay, verse 1. flat, F, G minor, B flat, sorry. Back to the regular chords. There's a little instrumental. And verse 2. Okay, chorus. Alright, get ready because we're going to go an octave higher. So G minor and then G right here. C, G, A minor, F. Fade out, and there you go. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like. If you know somebody who wants to learn how to play the song, share it with them. And if this video helps you out, you can leave a tip down below with the thank you button. In the description is the Discord link where you can make your request for tutorials, as well as the merch link. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Okay then.